today we're gonna learn together how to remove, like how to clean your computer, to scan them, how in case you got some virus, how to remove them. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bande kuno suboza kulanda nga na utu sana nkonga ekokana te lelo na kuansene bino ndenge ni balongolaka ba virus na babilo msusu na ordinateur mais na kosalela ngo na virtual machine na kuutiliser Windows 10. OK? Alors au cas qui on a kuutiliser raison na ofungola ngo bopo na link bomona ndenge nini to utiliser la virtual machine. Autant msusu ukena university college to university po yeba ndenge ni to salela yango. Okay, to yana biso awa. So I'm gonna put my password, and from here we're gonna type window. Okay, window secure, this one. Okay, this is the one we need this one. So we have another way of doing this. We can go also if we type setting. Okay, setting right there. Okay, we type it, and we can go to update and secure, and from there we can go right here. Okay, we can go right there. Okay, and then from here, and then we can go right here. Okay, but for today we're gonna go here, window window, this one, and window security. Okay, we're gonna go on this one, and we wanna go here. So we have you see, look, it's gonna take a little bit time if you wanna do the scan option. If you wanna do quick one, we're gonna do here. Okay, but if I were you, try also to do this. Okay, we're gonna do this one for now. Okay, so if we click on that one, okay, and we're gonna go to full scan. Okay, right here. Okay, and then scan now. So from here, right, so you see we finished, this part is done. Okay, so what we can do, we can go you see, if you take a look, you read here the message. Let's see, and then we can also do the the window defender offline scan. Okay, we can do this one. So the same thing, right? Same thing, come here, window security. Okay, so same thing, we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go right here, and this time we go here. Okay, and scan now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you see, so in this case yeah, so you see I have to log in as the landlord. In your case, you don't have to worry about this. Okay, in your case, you don't have to worry about this. Okay, so in your case, you don't have to worry about this. Okay, so you go this part, and okay, so this is what we do when you finish. You see here, okay, So what we can do here, you see, to get this, let me delete this for a second. You see this here? Right click inside. Right click. You come here. You go here. You type CMD. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. Ozwili boko na katikati. Guys, I'm just gonna delete this. Explain a little bit in Lingala. You click here. Oyo clique awa. Libo na katikati o clique na yango. Oye awa okomi CMD. Ok, next. Ici, siko na katikati nango clique awa. Right click, clique na yango. Après ça, o clique awa. Lokola nga naza nani o te, naza adim te, moi na ordinateur no esala bien, ok? Ponga siko naza adim te, naza lokola renter, ok? Siko ça va. Okoma o na kati, ok? Okoma o boy. Okay? You're gonna write this one. Okay? Okomi boy, après ça, okomi enter. Ou cliquer enter. Okay? So you tap that and when you tap that, you finish, you push enter. Okay?